So that's how to make a fantastic Chinese creamy satay sauce. Give it a go. I'm telling you now, that's the best one you'll see on the internet. Okay, we're going to make the quickest satay sauce ever. What we're going to use this Jimmy's. Now, it's made in Hong Kong. Now, I've never used it before, so I'm going to open this jar for the first time in front of you guys, and we'll give it a taste. So we'll give it a shake. Make sure we mix it all up. So give that a good shake around in there. Give this an opening. Oh, there we go. Now, I'm a great believer in you taste all your ingredients, as you well know. There's our paste. Never used it before. It smells of a red curry paste, like back in Thailand, you know, and I can smell peanuts, I can smell shrimp paste. I can smell all that in there. So let's get our finger in and have a go. So here we go. So let's give it a taste. Well, it's got a little bit of a kick to it. It's a little bit spicy, salty. You can taste the shrimp paste. You can taste like a red curry paste in there. You know, it's got a whole build-up of like the Asian flavors. And it does say it's Malaysian, but it's made in Hong Kong. It's quite salty actually. So we're not going to add any salt to anything. So making our satay sauce then, I will make our satay sauce slightly different to all the recipes that you'll find for this on the internet. I don't believe, hand on heart, that those recipes on the internet are going to taste as good as this one. That is a good chili paste in there. Peanutty, salty. That's okay. It's a nice base ingredient. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a pan and we're going to put a heaped tablespoon in this pan. I don't think we need any more than that. I think this goes a long way. I think some of these recipes where they say put 3 tablespoons of this in and all the rest of it, I think it's too much. So we'll go for 1 heaped tablespoon and we'll bob that in there. So we've got a tablespoon of this satay paste mix in here. I mean, it smells fantastic. Now we're going to do a sneaky one. We're going to keep this really simple. This is peanut butter. Now, tablespoon, no more, in there. Just to give that peanutty through there. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to cook our satay paste and our peanut butter with 170 grams of carnation milk. Or evaporated milk, use any you have. So a little bit of a flame on there. Now we're not going to go too high with this flame actually, so we're going to turn it down a little bit, because what we're doing, we're going to cook that chili paste and that peanut butter in there with this evaporated milk. So we'll get that on there and we're going in with our evaporated milk. So we're going to get the whole 170 in there, give it a little stir around. And then we want to be going in with about 170 mils of water. And then what we're going to do, we're going to go in with probably about 2 tablespoons of ground peanuts. So we'll go in there, 2 tablespoons of ground peanuts. That's going to give us those peanut chunks in there, you know. So all we need to do now is warm it up until it starts to thicken. Oh, it's starting to thicken this, look. I tell you, this is a quick satay sauce. Let's give it a taste test. You know, that's got those Chinesey flavours in there, you know. But it's a little bit salty, so I'm going to go in with about half a tablespoon of sugar. I don't think it needs any more than that. So we'll get the sugar in, let it dissolve in there, then we'll give it another taste test. I mean, that looks superb. That is thickened up. Fantastic. That looks incredible. All we need to do is give it a little taste test. That's it, guys. That is a really good Chinese satay sauce. It's got that Chinese flavour through there, peanuts, everything. It's salty. It's got a little bit of heat from the paste. That is it. Job done. Turn off the heat. That is sticking up very nicely with the peanuts that we put in there. That is superb. Just look at that.